How to make Twitter show you sensitive content. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I'll show you how you can make Twitter show sensitive content, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to make Twitter show you sensitive content, all you have to do is first of all open the Twitter application, then tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then once you tap on the profile icon, come down to settings and support, and then go to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, go to privacy and safety, and then here you will find the option called content UC. Just tap on it. At the very top you can see display media that make content sensitive content. Currently it is turned off, so if you want to make Twitter show you sensitive content, then make sure to just turn this toggle on. When you turn this toggle on, you will successfully be able to see sensitive content on Twitter. Now you can come back, reload the application, and then confirm your changes as well. And that's all it takes to make Twitter show you sensitive content. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.